Hi, welcome back to the Digital SAT Math Masterclass. Today we are dealing with a topic which is very frequently asked in the SAT exam. The topic is quadratic functions. So since it's a very frequently asked topic, so we'll begin with basic questions. The first question being here. It's a quadratic function. You can see that fx is equals to 3x squared minus 5 plus 4. What we have to do with it, we have to find the value of f of 2a minus 4. So if you look at the function carefully, it's 3x squared minus 5x plus 4. And we have to find f of 2a minus 4. So what I do, I just subtract minus 4 from the initial equation. I'm left with 3x squared minus 5x. Now all I have to do is find the value of f of 2a by substituting 2a in 3x squared minus 5x. It's a simple substitution question. But what happens in exam setting is most of the students tend to make calculation mistakes. Right? So that's what we need to avoid there. So 3x squared minus 5x. So if I do it, 3x squared minus 5x, and I want to substitute 2a in this thing. So 3 of 2a whole square minus 5 times 2a, which will give us 4a squared multiplied 3 is 12a squared minus 10a. So this you can see is the value of f of 2a, where f was the original quadratic equation which was given to us, right? So it's a simple question. That's how we're going to do it. Next question, coming to the second one. Let's say we have a quadratic function, x squared minus bx plus 16. Got it? So if fx touches the x-axis exactly once, so here's the catch. If fx touches the x-axis exactly once, what is the value of b? B is what they're asking, right? So x squared minus bx plus 6, x squared minus bx plus 16, pardon my handwriting, this is the value of fx. If I want this particular quadratic equation to have a unique solution, means both the value of x's tend to converge at the x-axis. This is what is mentioned. If you look at it, fx touches the x-axis exactly once. What does it mean graphically? Let's say it touches the x-axis. This is what it means. Let's say the graph is like this. This is what is happening. Got it? Why this thing is happening? It means the graph is touching means it has only one root. Both the roots are converging at one particular point. And in quadratic, we know when two roots of a quadratic equation tend to converge at one particular point, the discriminant, there is this guy known as the discriminant. What does it become? It becomes equals to 0. So if once the discriminant becomes equal to 0, what happens? Discriminant means b square minus 4ac. This guy becomes 0. So what is b square minus 4ac? If the general equation is ax square plus bx plus c, here b is equals to minus b. So minus b square minus 4 into a is 1 and b is 16. 16 for the 64. So b square minus 64 is equals to 0, which means b square is equals to 8. So if b square is equals to 64, b will be plus minus 8. Got it? So b can have two values for this particular equation. B is equals to plus 8 or minus 8. Got it? So this is how a question needs to be solved in the exam setting. The moment you look at this question, fx touches the x-axis exactly. You should know the graph should be inside your head. The graph, you should be able to visualize the graph of this. Since the coefficient of x squared is 1, positive 1, the graph is an upward parabola. Upward parabola is touching the x-axis exactly at one particular point, which means it has only one root, or both roots are converging to one point, which means the discriminant b square minus 4ac in the general equation x square plus bx plus c has to be 0. So that's what is done here. So if b square minus 4 into a into c is 0, b square will be equals to 64. So b can have two values, positive 8 or negative 8. Got it? So this was for today. Two questions from quadratic function. Next time I'll be up with some other topic. Till then, thanks and keep watching.